very much. Wow. It's a packed house. Supreme Court is taking the case from Colorado, and so they'll make a decision. And you know what I do find, and, you know, maybe say it, maybe don't, but I say it. A Democrat judge appointed by, let's say, Obama, they're down and they say, we're appointed, that's the end. When you are a Republican judge and you're appointed by, let's say, Trump, they go out of their way to hurt you so that they can show that they have been fair, honorable people. It's an amazing difference. I've never seen anything like it. You appoint some of these radical left Democrats, and they've, right from the beginning, you say, we're dead. And the Republican judges want to go out of their way to be fair and unbiased, and even to a point where they hurt you. And I guess it's a different wiring system or something, but all I want is fair. I fought really hard to get 3 very, very good people, and they're great people, very smart people, and I just hope that they're going to be fair because, you know, the other side plays the ref. And they're saying, oh, Trump owns the Supreme Court. He owns it. He owns it. If they make a decision for him, it will be terrible. It'll ruin their reputations. He owns the Supreme Court. He put on 3 judges. He owns the Supreme Court. If they rule in his favor, it will be horrible for them. And we'll protest at their houses, and we'll do all of the things that you say. And that puts pressure on people to do the wrong thing. Today, the radical left Democrats and their allies in the fake news media, right back there, all those people with the camera, are having an absolute meltdown because last night our campaign won a gigantic court victory in Colorado. This is a continuation of the single.
Telling you that he couldn't make it. He just started that. You wouldn't have been able to come either. It would have been yesterday. No, if I would have signed up to work, I wouldn't have. You couldn't go to that.
Well, first of all, I feel that a lot of these charges that supposedly being brought against President Trump, it's all political motivated. I mean, you can't blame some person for somebody else's actions. I think a lot of the January 6th mess that happened was a lot of them were plants that were there. They weren't even Trump supporters. I was there. I was nowhere near the building, so I can't speak like firsthand that I would see anything that had happened, but a lot of the people that were there that entered the building illegally, I mean, I'm not for that at all. We're doing that as he was still speaking at the Ellipse, and true Trump supporters never leave a rally before he's over. So I think a lot of those people were put there by the opposition, and they're afraid that he is going to win this time because people are going to flood the polls. So how do you stop that? Well, you try to get him off the ballot. You try all these different things. You try to have these frivolous lawsuits against him, and it's all political based. And if he were to say today, I'm dropping out of the race, all that stuff would go away.
You have Trump changed his message. What is it?
Well, he's a very polarizing character, and I think he's he's scared away a lot of people with his talk and brashness. I guess I kind of want to see if he softens it up a little bit and mellows out and can appeal to the undecided voter. Well, to me, January 6th was a pretty much trumped up smear campaign against Donald Trump. And actually, I think they did it, they probably planned it because looking ahead to this election coming up. I think they were looking way ahead when they smeared him on January 6th.
There's no reason he needs to be taken off the ballot. He has not been proven guilty of any act. He hasn't been proven guilty of any crimes yet. He has many, many things against him that people are trying to convict him of, but he hasn't been proven of any of that.
They're just looking for sound bites.
Give you an option to message the group and then you'll get it.
Okay. How far is the more exciting to me? It might be, but then you gotta drive over.
That's what, but I haven't been up this far north, but I've been inside. I'm Real America's Voice.
So, just a heads up for you guys.
All of us here today do not want to see our election victory stolen by emboldened radical left Democrats, which is what they're doing, and stolen by the fake news media. That's what they've done and what they're doing. We will never give up. We will never concede. It doesn't happen. You don't concede when there's theft involved.
50B advised, Cal Police 1 advised they're trying to breach and get into the Capitol.
No wonder Biden and the far-left lunatics are desperate to stop us by any means necessary. They're willing to violate the U.S. Constitution at levels never seen before in order to win. They will do anything to win. They'll do whatever they have, whatever they can. And remember this, Joe Biden is a threat to democracy. He's a threat.